I'm Robbie with Delta Millworks. We are back here at the Starwood Firehouse here in Aspen, Colorado. It's an incredible project designed by Charles Cunniffe Architects out of Aspen. And we particularly like this project not only because of the use of the Accoya Coastline siding, but also some of the other materials chosen. This wood really gets blasted by the sun day in and day out. 300 days a year, give or take, depending on where you are in Colorado. The sun really abuses the wood up here, not just the coatings, but the wood itself. So that's why we went with our highest performing wood product being Accoya and this coastline finish that really holds up over the years. 5 years later, this product almost looks as good as it did day one. We're here in this carport. This area has basically gotten zero exposure to sun or weather. So this wood really has not aged whatsoever. And as we were walking around today, even the south-facing, high exposure wall that really gets beat by the sun every day almost looks as good as brand new, as good as the day it was delivered. Sun exposure, snow, rain, this material will get hit just by about any type of weather condition. We offered the Accoya as really our gold standard of exterior woods. It's a tried and true product, has a 50-year exterior warranty. It's really the most stable and rot-resistant wood on the market today. We do a multi-step coating process. We seal the wood on all sides to fully protect it. And this coating, going on 5 years now, has really held up very, very well. Little to no fading, even on the high exposure walls. We love this product. It's beautiful, it's versatile, and it holds up great in harsh climates like Aspen, Colorado.